This 2015 Cruiser RV ViewFinder Signature VS24 SD front kitchen, fridge and sofa, bedslide is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This used Cruiser RV is 26 feet 5 inches in length and features one Slideout, a Key Largo, tan, brown classic neutrals, interior, sleep 6, Skylight, auxiliary battery, Slideout, air conditioning, TV, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front kitchen, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2015 Cruiser RV ViewFinder Signature VS24 SD front kitchen, fridge and sofa, bedslide is 5,285 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.